2-9 graphing ordered pairs, and in this lesson you learn to use ordered pairs to locate points and organize data. Let's take a look at this cartoon. In the cartoon, how do the other students know who the machine has caught daydreaming? Okay, notice how on the chart the front of the machine forms a grid pattern. The grid is used to identify the daydreamer by using a code similar to what is used on road maps. Obviously, everyone knows how to locate the seat designated by 4B. So this dude or dudette right there is our daydreamer because he or she is probably the one sitting on 4B. Okay, I can use a machine like that in our classroom. Okay, moving on. In mathematics, we locate a point by using a coordinate system. Okay, and the coordinate system is formed when two number lines intersect at their 0 points. This point is called the origin. Okay, the horizontal number line is called the x-axis, and the vertical number line is called the y-axis. Very similar to what we have there. Okay, you have two number lines. One is vertical, one is horizontal. Okay, the vertical number line is called your y-axis. The horizontal number line is called your x-axis, and they intersect at a point called the origin. Okay, you can name any point on a coordinate system by using an ordered pair of numbers. First number in an ordered pair is the x-coordinate, and the second number is called the y-coordinate. An ordered pair is written in the form of, okay, something like this. This is our ordered pair. Again, why is this called an ordered pair? By the very term, it is always in an order. And the order is, the first number is always your x-coordinate, and the second number is always your y-coordinate. Okay? The x-coordinate represents the number of horizontal units the point is from 0, and the y-coordinate represents the number of vertical units it is from 0. Okay, how does that work? Let's look at example number 1. Name the ordered pair for point K. To be able to name that ordered pair, let's follow these simple directions. First, start at the origin, which is in this area right there, and then move right along the x-axis until you are under point K. So you move right along the x-axis until you are under point K. So 1, 2, there you go. I'm now under point K. Then next direction, since you moved 2 units to the right of the x-coordinate, the ordered pair is 2. So your first number would be 2, and in an ordered pair, that would be 2. So our first number in point K would be 2. Okay. Next, okay, step. Now move up until you reach point K. So from 2, you move up until we reach point K. 1, 2, 3, 4 units until we reach point K. Okay? 4 units until we reach point K. Since you moved, oops, that got cut off. Since you moved 4 units up, the y-coordinate is 4. Okay? So since we move 4 units up, the y-coordinate is 4. Okay, therefore the ordered pair is 2, 4 for this one. Okay? So the ordered pair would be 2, 4. Okay, moving on. You can also graph a point on the coordinate system. To graph a point means to place a dot at the point named by the ordered pair. Okay, let's say we want to graph these 2 points. Graph A 6, 4 and point A 6, 4 and point B 7, 0. Let's do 6, 4 for now, point A. Okay, first let's start at the origin. This is your origin, 0, 0. And then we move 6 units to the right of the x-axis. Moving 6 units to the right of the x-axis would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right of the x-axis. Okay? Then the next step, after moving 6 units to the right of the x-axis, then move up 4 units to locate the point. Draw and label, okay, the dot. Draw and label the dot A. So from there, we move up 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units up. Okay, and this is now dot A, and dot A has coordinate 6, 4. Okay, let's do 7, 0 in example B. In 7, 0 again, we start at the origin, always start at the origin, since and then move 7 units to the right of the x-axis. Okay, move 7 units to the right of the x-axis. So this now becomes, start from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and after that, since the y coordinate is 0, stop here. Okay, draw a dot and label it point B. So we stop there, draw a dot. Oh, are you kidding me? Let me undo that. Okay, draw a dot and label it point B. There you go. Okay, so that is now 7, 0. And this is, okay, 6, 4. Right there. Okay. Next example. Okay. After doing that, will be example number 3. Example number 3, Patsy went bowling at the bowling castle. Games were $2 each. If X represents the number of games she bowled, okay, expression 2X gives the total cost. Okay, so let's understand what the problem is. Patsy went bowling at the bowling castle. Games were, okay, $2 each. That's what we know. And if X represents the number of games she bowled, the expression 2X gives the total cost. Why? If they bowled, let's say, 5 games, 2 times 5, that would give you $10 would be the total cost. So this is the expression which will give you the total cost, okay, where X is the number of games that Patsy bowled. Okay. Letter A, make a list of ordered pairs in this form, number of games bowled, and the cost of the games. So that means you have an ordered pair where the number of games bowled will be your X coordinate and the cost of the games will be your Y coordinate. And letter B is asking graph the ordered pairs. Okay, and looking at letter A, first thing we need to do is evaluate the expression 2X for 1, 2, and 3 games. Okay, so a table of ordered pairs, that is the result, is shown below. So let's say Patsy bowled for 1 game. Okay, 2 times 1 will be equal to 2. So therefore the cost is 2. Your ordered pair would be 1, 2. Patsy plays for 2 games. It would be 2 times 2. And where your Y is 4, your ordered pair would be 2, 4. And finally, if Patsy bowled 3 games, okay, if you evaluate that, it would be 2 times 3. Okay, cost would be $6. Okay, and ordered pair would be 3, 6. Okay, now this one has a meaning. Okay, wherein when you talk about 3, 6, 3, 6 means 3 games, cost of $6. So for every 3 games that Patsy bowled, okay, she would incur a cost of $6. That's what that order there means. Okay? And we're done with our lesson. Okay, on Google Forms, type a summary of what you've learned by responding to the objective of the lesson and type of question you might want to ask about in class. Thank you.